Everyone, you might be in a situation where jar files are not opening up on Java. Now, you might be getting this type of pop-up in a couple of different ways, and there's a couple of reasons why this could be an issue. Number one, the first thing I'd recommend doing here for the most part is understanding if you're on Windows, you might just want to go through and see if it's a blank icon that's opening up. So if it's an issue like that, some other type of app might be defaulting to open it up. So you can download an application like Jarfix. That's kind of one that's kind of available. You want to download and install that Jarfix application for Windows devices. You can install it, you can relink it to all jar files, and that's going to start opening up that file. Now, if that doesn't work, you might want to right-click on that jar file. So right-click on that file, and you want to click on the Open With option that comes up when you right-click it, and you want to choose another app. So when you do that, you want to look for a little application option that says Java TM. So it's going to be like a Java thing in the first place. You want to go and tap on it, and you want to go ahead and click on Always Use this app to open jar files. After doing that, what's going to happen is it's going to allow you to start opening up those Java applications on your particular Mac or Windows device. Sometimes another default application might be defaulting to open it up. So all you're going to have to do is just choose a different application from that standpoint, and that's probably going to end up fixing your device. If that doesn't work either, you might have to go through basically try updating your particular device, update your Windows or Java application, your Mac. If that still doesn't work, you might have to go through and basically try updating it a different way or restarting your Mac or Windows PC. So hopefully that fixes it for you. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.